a package, but it's magnetic. Guys, yum. We are going on a Bumble BFF date. Hello. Hi. Is this thing on? Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am back. It's been so long. I have no idea where my tripod is. It's in here. Do you know where my tripod is? Found it. Much better. We are going to be doing a little 3-day weekend vlog. It is Father's Day weekend, so we do have Monday off for like Juneteenth, so that's pretty cool. So I figured we get my shit together, back on my vlogging train. Yeah, oh my god, I'm sweating because the Arizona heat, they were not lying. All right guys, I got a package from my job. If you are new here, hi, my name is Natalie. I'm 28 years old. I'll be turning 29 next month. I work for Morphe and Forma Brands. They own a lot of brands. Morphe is just like the most well-known one. And they send me packages all the time. Shout out to my job. Hopefully they don't know I make videos. Let's see what's in here. This one specifically is from Beauty, Ariana Grande. I have 2 more packages coming in and hopefully they'll make it in time for this vlog. This is a palette. It has to be a palette. No, it's 2 palettes. I want the baby doll palette, but I don't know if this is it. Midnight Snack. This is Midnight Snack. Should we open it? Of course we should open it. But these nails will not allow me. They're press-ons. I need something to open. This will work. Just use the brush. Pop it up. So cute. Love. This one is Baby Doll. I'm keeping Baby Doll. I think Baby Doll is the most popular one. I'm sorry if you guys can see my sweat. AC is not going hard enough. Babe, can you turn it up? Can you turn up the AC? I'll block you. Nobody sees? Nobody can see my boyfriend? It's so hot. He's literally been in his underwear all day. He bumped it up, but I'm not hearing it. Okay. Just like the cutest, like nude browns. I love it. This is perfect. Perfect for traveling. A metallic eyeshadow. I used to be like a hardcore super glam girly, and now I'm not. But this looks cute. It's like a little... Another liquid eyeshadow. They send us so much. This one looks cool. Mauve. This looks like a lipstick. Liquid eyeshadow. Are you sure? Looks like this is the last package. Daydreamin' lashes. This is lip stain marker. The lip stain marker. And that's it. I will be receiving other stuff from my job. So when those come in, I'll show you guys as well. Might be on the next vlog though. But we are gonna head out to Korean barbecue for our date night. We try to do date night every Friday. I'll take you with us. We're trying to find our #1 favorite spot of Korean barbecue here in Arizona. I went to one that was really good. It was Sizzle Barbecue in Scottsdale, down Old Town Scottsdale. Amazing, extremely overpriced. It's like $150 for 2 people. I'm a bougie girl at heart in another dimension, but in this dimension that I am talking to you in this camera, I'm not that bougie bitch. I need to get a bang for my buck. Let's go. I'm wearing my stretchy pants so I can fit everything I can fit. I am an outfit repeater. This is the 3rd time I'm wearing this outfit. I wore it to dinner last Friday and I'm wearing it to dinner again, except with my Lulu bag. So let's go. We have a garage. Are you ready?
Ready spaghetti.
We're headed out to, apparently it's called Koreatown Cuisine. I'm excited to eat there. Oh my god, I look like really güerita, like white. This is my natural skin tone. I'm trying to fall in love with it because if you guys don't know, I do self-tan for my TikToks and it looks amazing and all that, but it's just after 2 years of doing it, like I just wanna be okay with my skin tone, if that makes sense. I just want to be happy with my skin tone. I never had an issue with it until the influencer girlies like be pushing self-tanning products. I love them. Get your coin, girl. But this is my new favorite like product. Okay, so it is the Venti Beauty Invisimatte Universal Blotting Powder. It's this cute little packaging. The brush comes separately. I know that sucks, but it's magnetic. Like, am I late on this? Do all the girlies know or what? Am I late? And it comes with like a little blotting thing, but really, come on, like just use the brush. Like, makeup looks amazing. You guys, no foundation. And it looks good. And that's it. Boom. Wait, forget the forehead. T-zone in the forehead. Boom. We're brand new. Wonderful. Yum, guys. Yum. Yum. We got our cook in the building. And I got my coca. I have one cook a week on Fridays. Lucky me. We are on the way to the vet clinic or whatever because my baby angel here was throwing up all night, and so we just want to make sure he's okay. He feels a little warm, so we're gonna take him and just make sure he's okay. It's Saturday. I have a Bumble BFF date, which I feel a little sketchy about, but we'll talk about that in a few. You're gonna see the doctor. Hey guys, so we had to take Wally to the vet this morning because he was like throwing up. I'm about to get ready for a Bumble BFF date, and he was throwing up all night, so we had to take him real quick. I don't know if this is like the best setup. The light is coming from here, but we'll do what we can. He was throwing up all night and we couldn't sleep, and he was basically up all night. But the vet said he's okay, so that's good news. He seems to be doing better and he's holding down his food, so that's a plus. He seems to be doing good, but anyways, I'm going on a Bumble BFF date. I think her name is either Janet or Jeanette. I'm not sure yet. I'm hoping she's real. We should be FaceTiming soon because she's not verified. So it's just like a little sketch. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're just gonna meet out at the mall and do some shopping, I guess. Which I'm trying not to shop. I don't think I'm gonna vlog it just because she's new. Like, my friend Rhodey, we met on Bumble BFF and she's one of my besties now. If you guys wanna see the video, I'll leave it linked up here. It was from last year and that worked out well. This is my second Bumble BFF date since I've been here. Making friends as an adult is really freaking hard. It's just like everybody has different schedules and different like priorities, and I don't know, I'm open-minded. Like, I'll be friends with any kind of people. We'll see how that goes. I'll talk to you guys when I'm done with my makeup. New color.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
Oh my god, thank goodness you're not a murderer or a kidnapper.
I know, right?
You feel better?
Yes.
Today's Sunday and I've sucked at vlogging because, well, it's a habit I no longer have. My Bumble BFF date went pretty well. Me and her have so much in common. We're both cancers. I've never had a cancer friend that I can think of. I think we're gonna be friends, so I'm excited to have somebody to bug because David here is too busy to hang out with me. He's always working.
I don't know, I want to go like to something outdoorsy different, just because when we go somewhere it's always indoors.
I know, but I don't know what you mean by outdoorsy. You want to go to a club?
Like, I don't know if it's rooftop.
I'm better with that. Anything that's not like water, I prefer. But it's Father's Day. Like, it's gonna be like empty. It's gonna feel like not as fun.
You think so?
It's Father's Day and it's Sunday. To top it off, they all went out yesterday because today was gonna be Father's Day. Today I am having a low confidence day, which I'm fucking sick and tired of. Like, I'm so over feeling like shit about myself. Like, I want to feel fine with how I look without makeup, because I literally didn't want to film. I don't want to film this just because I don't have makeup on. But whatever, I'm working on it, and we're going to go get breakfast. And who knows, maybe we'll go out. Wherever the fuck we go out, we'll take you.